this is just something I thought interesting. Every time I come over here, I've been filming this building. Look how much they've got done now. Wow. I would not want to be up there. I'd be scared to death. Just coming right along. The bottom's going to be the parking garage. And the top's going to be, I guess, condos. Not my usual content, but I'm just finding it interesting. And I find it interesting how far they've come with it. Wow. Alright. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. I'm American Amy. Catch you later. Bye.